Hi guys, so we are going to perform fade to block just like this. Okay, to do that, we will just move our cursor, our needle, where we are going to start and click on the clip. Then we will and adjust this thing to here. See? So let's do that in our text as well. Click on the text. Let's move our cursor. We are going to start the fade. Then let's move this a little, just like this. Okay, and we're done. So we are going to repeat that on our in the beginning of our clip, just like this, and just like this one. So here we go. See that this the changes. Okay, here we go. Then at the end, here. See, that's easy. Thanks for watching and hope it helps. Please consider subscribing and bye.